All right, so this is Delta. We are going on Delta Airlines, first class. Here we are. That's my family right there. We have priority pass and first class, so we are going to the priority line. So excited. The girls are ready. We are ready. So our trip is actually for we are going to Thailand, Phuket in Thailand, and we are going to JFK first. So we decided to do Delta first class on to just see how it goes, and then of course review it for all of you all. So if you like our videos, go ahead and subscribe, share, and like, and comment, of course, to let us know how you are liking our videos. And so we are right now at the Richmond Airport. Hi everyone. Yeah, we are ready for Thailand. Oh yeah. So guys, stay tuned. We will review ours. Go ahead and click on the card to review for the review of Delta first class to JFK, because I know it's gonna be good, and that's what we do. We do this all for you, right? Go ahead and share it, like and subscribe. All right. So right now we have about our bags. We have about 2 bags. We have about 3 big bags. Actually 4, because Lexington has 1. I have 1. With international flights, you are entitled to 6 bags. Okay, so 2 is carry-ons and 4 are big bags, cargo bags. So that's mine is the biggest, of course. And guess what? I still have my Soniva Jani's.
Check out that video.
Soniva Jani, because we were in Soniva Jani in the Maldives, and I still have the card on there.
And guys, look at my nails. I think this is beautiful.
It's pretty nails.
And guys, I don't know if you can see my nails, but it's like a metallic pink.
Oh, I like it. Tell us in the comment if y'all like their nail polishes. Yeah.
We are going to be going on the Delta Boeing CRA 900. Stay tuned.
All right, guys. So as the girls were saying, we are flying on Delta to JFK, and it's going to be the first class, and the specific airline we're going on is the Boeing
CRA 900.
Yes. So get ready. Don't go nowhere. We are all checked in and ready to go. And look at us.
Oh, wow, we have made it.
We made it.
Went through priority pass, which was very quick and simple. And now we're heading to the security check-in. So
Security check-in.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. TSA pre-check is what we have now. So how are you feeling, girls?
Good.
You know what?
Amazing.
'Tis the season to be jolly. And it's a beautiful decoration at the Richmond Airport. I'm excited about this.
It's great to have you on board with us. As you get settled in, please place smaller items in our aisle seat in front of you, larger items in the overhead bin. If the bin is full, feel free to close it. We kindly ask that you step out of the aisle to allow other customers to pass by and take your assigned seat as quickly and as safely as possible. Larger electric devices like laptops must be stored.
She doesn't think it's a first class because there's no TV, and she's like, this is not really first class. So guys, it is lemon water, and I don't like lemon water. I only like normal water, but lemon water So there's no TV here, which is sad because we bought so many headphones for TV and there's nothing there. And it's first class, they say. And we have water, which just says lemon water. This tastes like lemon water to me. But guys, at least we have an iPad. Yeah, that's the only thing we have. And it's first class. So at least the only thing we can have is at least some food. I know, just food, please. Just food. I just need some food. I know. Why would they even book that? That's plain. That's only for 1 hour. And we have no time.
Would you two like anything to drink? Apple juice? You want some ice in it? Oh, it's just plain apple juice, but would you like me to put some ice in it? Yeah. You want some apple juice too? Oh, the Sprite okay?
I got some Sprite, like I normally always do. And my sister got apple juice. She was telling the man he has to give her sparkling apple juice, but then he's like, oh, do you want apple juice? So then she just gave her apple juice, and now she just wants me to pour some Sprite in hers. And I'm like, why didn't you just tell me you want Sprite and stuff in it too? So this is kind of like economy because first of all, it doesn't have a TV, and second of all, I don't have that strapping thing that makes it tighter, so it's kind of like an economy.
So we are taking off from RIC, going to JFK, and look at the beautiful view of Richmond. Look at that beautiful view. Just so amazing. It's only 5:07 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it looks great. Hey guys, so we are on a Delta Airlines CRE100, and it's flying from Richmond to JFK, first class.
Yes.
And we wanted to, of course, review them because we had mentioned we were going to be reviewing them. So far, the staff is amazing.
They're very, very good. They're friendly, yeah. I mean, no complaints. They're friendly and they're up to you, asking you what you need right away. So I like that.
All right, so the staff is so friendly. They served us some wine. I got Chardonnay. My husband got Chardonnay also, and it was good. I mean, so far I don't think we have any. It's a smaller plane because it's going to JFK from Richmond. It's like only an hour and 41 minutes, and so they are going to bring the snacks around, and so we're going to tell you guys how the snacks is. Lexington, my little one, the 7-year-old, if you see her in there, they look like twins, but they're not really twins. She said she feels like this is economy.
It's our fault.
It's our fault. She said because it doesn't have TV, because the food is not out yet. So that's her honest review that she feels like this is economy and not first class, right? But we are, by far, I think we are very, very happy.
Yeah,
it's comfortable.
It's comfortable. We're going on a short flight, a short leg right now. You're not, we're unable to experience a long leg, a long haul. So we're enjoying what we have right now, and it's not bad.
Yeah. So it's not, overall we have our drinks right there. Just got our red wine and our water. My husband ordered water, which you can't go wrong with water.
Just starting off a little slow.
And then I have my red wine right here. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Earlier, before the flight, I had Chardonnay, and so I think we are fine. The seats, in terms of the seats, it's comfortable. I'm going to show you where my bag is. It's really, really comfortable. That's my is flying past a speed of like 2x1 configuration. So our girls are in the front and we are in the back. And it's fine. It's not really bad at all. We're comfortable. And now we got snacks. Oh, it seems that Brooklyn got this. And we got, so far we got wine and this is what we got. I mean, it's not bad for an hour and 40 minutes flight, right? It's not bad. So I would say on a scale of 1 to 10, we'll give them like maybe a 6. If we are trying to go really like a 6 in terms of like what we got in terms of the snacks. But customer service and the staff, they are amazing. I think they are really, really nice.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, really nice.
Yeah, they're friendly.
Friendly.
Yeah.
Cleanliness, we'll give them an 8. Because, you know, it's not super duper clean, but it's clean enough.
Guys, what do you think, Lexi? Good. Delicious snacks are good. But I still think it's kind of like economy. But fun stuff is so redemptive. And I'm just drinking tea right now.
This is delicious. Okay, this is so good. If you are ever on Delta, right? If you are ever on Delta, make sure you get this snack. You will never regret it. It's so good, so delicious. My husband got the first one and he got 2 more. Right, baby? That's how it looks like.
Yeah, I got a little upset because, you know what, never had it before, but it's dancing on my tongue right now, so I'm like, let me try another one.
Show us the package. What is it again?
It's like that. That's how it looks.
What is it?
It's Michael and Austin's.
It's a chocolate salted caramel.
Milk chocolate and melty caramel. Cookie squares.
Cookie squares. So guys, it's so good. I got one too. And then of course I got that and I got my wine right there. So
You can never eat those cookies.
that and this.
House. All you have to do is house.
Cheers, 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 cheers. So far for Delta Airlines, on a scale of 1 to 10, we definitely will fly them again because we like their snacks. So it's been an hour and over about 30 minutes and we are landing to JFK, which is in New York, John F. Kennedy Airport. And so that's where we're going to be boarding Turkish Airlines. And so we're excited about that experience also. But so far, I like these seats. They are so comfortable and they are so durable. And thank you so much. And of course, I got another. I'm being greedy, but I got another one of this because it's so good. It's so he said it's so popular, so I got another one. But it's so delicious. It's so good. It's super good. So I'm getting one for to carry with me. And we're excited for Thailand, right? We're excited for Thailand. So we are heading to Phuket, Thailand Thailand is one of the biggest islands in Thailand. I mean, Phuket is one of the biggest islands in Thailand. I'm sorry. And we are going to be there for after Christmas, and so we are super excited to learn exactly what it is in Thailand that make people go there so much, and it's so popular, right? And so we're going to be doing so much in Thailand, and we are so excited. So we boarded into JFK. We are right now going to JFK, and then we board Turkish Airlines. Right, we are going to be going on the Boeing 777-300ER, and so watch out for our videos because that we're going to be reviewing that as well. We're going to be doing the business class and the first class on that airline, so that you guys can get to see exactly what it is with Turkish Airlines. I mean, I know people have a lot of reviews on Turkish Airlines and what it is, and the food is so good and all this crazy stuff, right? And so there is a mixed review out there about Turkish Airlines, so we are going to get to tell you guys how we feel in terms of from the kids' point of view and from our point of view.
And guys, look at the window.
As to what? Look at my little girl right there. Oh, she wants me to show you guys what. Yeah, so this is JFK in New York. We are in New York right now. So yeah, so we can get to share with you all what Turkish Airlines. So we're going to be flying from JFK to Istanbul, which is in Turkey, and so we are going to be sharing with you all a lot about, you know, the lounge in Istanbul. And I know there are so many things. We just landed in JFK. So guys, we are in New York City, New York.
Yes.
With the family. We are in New York City. Yes. So we are about to go get our bags and then head on to the Turkish Airlines. Look at the girls over there.